It used to be that when I thought of exterior stains, I thought in terms of shades of brown. Well, we're no longer brown bound. This line of water-based exterior stains comes in 50, that's right, 50 different colors.
This is state-of-the-art technology. Not only are there dozens of colors, but they're exceptionally fade resistant. They can be applied by pad, roller, power sprayer, or brush, and used on decks, siding, outdoor wooden furniture, and fences. Water-based stains have low odor and are safe and easy to use. Plus, they clean up with soap and water. In most cases, a single coat is all that's required. The coating resists mildew and sun damage and protects against water damage and graying for up to 3 years on decks and up to 5 years on fences and siding.
When it comes to exterior stains, I'd say it's time to, well, think outside the box. And with 50 different colors, well, there's something for just about everybody.